Yeah, I was going to speak. If you have a library, you actually got to animate, click on it, and it's just fine. Explain that to me, man.
That's freaking insane that Mario.
It wasn't on there.
Wow, Mrs. Piaf is getting everyone prepared up here. This is the first, I think, grade 1 to 7 choir with everybody up here that we have done. And they are going to be singing 2 songs, Yahweh and Emmanuel.